All right, one of the unique, clever things they've done with this house is we have a room set up as an office or a bedroom. Notice that windows are fogged out. This is the office layout right here, but this custom cabinet was built in. You have a pull-down Murphy bed and built-in closets. So what most people don't realize about this home is how large the outdoor living is. You have an infinity edge pool, 16-person spa, won Pool of the Year in the Parade of Homes. And then you've got over 2,500 square feet here of outdoor living. Check out the size of this bar in the sitting area, and it also has a fountain in the corner. Something that's often missed about this house, which is very unusual, is the hurricane shutter system. You have basically a bug screen that comes down all the way around the house, including the master suite. And you have a hurricane shutter system that will come down and enclose the whole rear area. It's a great, great system. And if you love to cook, this is a great kitchen. You've got instant hot, Viking appliances, 2 sinks, and plenty of cabinet space. I mean, what's there not to like about this kitchen?